Discover Delicious, your guide to healthy Japanese cuisine. Embarking on a journey through healthy Japanese cuisine introduces a world where flavors and well-being converge. This culinary adventure isn't just about savoring exquisite tastes. It's about embracing a tradition that celebrates nourishment and artistry. The essence of Japanese dishes lies in their simplicity and the profound philosophy of balance, making every meal a holistic experience. The secret to longevity might well be hidden in the basics of a Japanese diet. With a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients, minimalistic cooking methods, and a diverse range of dishes, it promotes a lifestyle that many attribute to the remarkable health and longevity of the Japanese people. It's a diet rich in fish, vegetables, and fermented foods, all contributing to a balanced and nutritious meal plan. Sushi, transcending its status as a trendy dish, offers a tapestry of health benefits. Each piece is a testament to the art of balancing flavors and nutrition. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, thanks to its fish content and served with vinegared rice, it's a heart-healthy option that also delights the palate. Sushi showcases the Japanese skill of creating dishes that are as beneficial as they are beautiful. Miso soup, a staple in Japanese cuisine, serves as a daily reminder of the cuisine's inherent goodness. With its base of nutrient-rich miso paste, this comforting bowl offers a blend of essential vitamins and minerals. It's a testament to the cuisine's ability to combine simple ingredients into a dish that supports digestion and overall health. Seaweed, from wakame to nori, stands as a superfood pillar in Japanese meals. Its versatility and nutrient density make it a powerful addition to the diet. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, seaweed exemplifies the Japanese knack for incorporating elements from the sea into their diet, promoting thyroid health and offering anti-inflammatory benefits. Tofu, a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine, offers an impressive blend of versatility and nutrition. Rich in protein yet low in calories, it seamlessly adapts to both savory and sweet dishes, making it an indispensable ingredient. Discovering Shabu Shabu introduces diners to a delightful hot pot experience that prioritizes both health and social dining. Thinly sliced meats and fresh vegetables cooked in a simmering broth offer a nourishing meal that's as tasty as it is wholesome. Sashimi, renowned for its minimalist elegance, celebrates the natural flavors of fish. This dish, high in omega-3 fatty acids and low in calories, showcases the Japanese art of savoring freshness with every bite, making it a healthful indulgence. Green tea, revered in Japan, is more than a mere beverage. Its high antioxidant content supports heart health and aids in weight management. This traditional drink encapsulates the essence of Japanese wellness practices in every sip. Natto, a fermented soybean dish, stands out for its powerful health benefits. Rich in probiotics, it supports digestive health and is linked to improved heart health. Though an acquired taste, it's a testament to Japan's commitment to longevity. Edamame, often served as a starter, isn't just a delight to the palate but a powerhouse of nutrition. These young green soybeans are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them the ideal healthy snack. Tempura, when mentioned, evokes thoughts of deep-fried indulgence. However, it's possible to enjoy tempura in a healthier way. Opting for a light batter and fresh vegetables or seafood can transform this dish into a lighter, nutritious option. Kombucha, a fermented tea, has made its way from ancient Japan to global popularity. Its health benefits are vast, including improved digestion and boosted immunity. This tangy beverage is a testament to the Japanese penchant for beneficial fermented foods. Okonomiyaki, Japan's savory pancake, combines nutrition and flavor. Made with a variety of ingredients like cabbage, eggs, and seafood or meat, it's a versatile dish that can be tailored to include plenty of vegetables for a nutritious meal. Choosing between udon and soba noodles can significantly impact the healthiness of a meal. Soba, made from buckwheat, is lower in calories and higher in fiber compared to udon, making it the healthier choice for those mindful of their diet. Japanese curry stands apart with its unique blend of spices and a nutritious twist. Unlike its Indian counterpart, it's milder and often loaded with a medley of vegetables, making it a hearty yet healthy choice. The beauty of Japanese pickles lies in their simplicity and health benefits. These probiotic-rich side dishes not only enhance the flavor profile of a meal, but also support a healthy gut, showcasing the wisdom of traditional Japanese diets. Yakitori, Japan's beloved skewered chicken, can be more than just a delicious treat. By opting for lean cuts and mindful seasoning, this popular dish transforms into a healthy, protein-packed option that doesn't compromise on taste. The role of fish in Japanese cuisine extends beyond flavor to nutritional benefits, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These essential nutrients, abundant in Japanese seafood, support heart health and cognitive function, embodying the diet's wellness ethos. Matcha, the vibrant green tea powder, is celebrated not only for its unique taste, but also for its antioxidant properties. Consuming matcha is a delightful ritual that offers a boost of energy alongside significant health benefits. Takoyaki, traditionally a ball-shaped snack filled with octopus, is being reinvented in healthier versions. By using whole wheat flour and adding more vegetables, these delicious bites become a guilt-free pleasure, maintaining their iconic taste while boosting nutritional value. Onigiri proves convenience doesn't have to compromise nutrition. These rice balls, often wrapped in nori and filled with umami-rich ingredients, are a testament to the simplicity and wholesomeness of Japanese fast food. They pack a balanced meal into a portable form. Gyoza, the flavorful dumplings beloved across Japan, can be enjoyed in a healthier light with a few simple tweaks. Opting for fillings with lean meats or vegetables and pan-frying or steaming instead of deep frying preserves their deliciousness while reducing calories. Fugu, Japan's infamous delicacy, offers a unique culinary experience with its preparation strictly controlled for safety. This pufferfish, when properly prepared, becomes a testament to the art of Japanese cuisine, offering a lean protein source that intrigues and nourishes. Japanese fruit perfection showcases the meticulous care with which fruits are cultivated, resulting in unparalleled flavor and nutritional benefits. From the juicy sweetness of a perfectly ripe peach to the crispness of an apple, each fruit is a celebration of Japan's dedication to quality and health. Kaiseki embodies the zenith of Japanese culinary tradition, offering a multi-course journey that harmonizes taste, texture, and aesthetic appeal. This feast for the senses also imparts dietary wisdom, emphasizing seasonal ingredients and balanced nutrition, reflecting Japan's deep respect for nature. The minimalist approach to eating in Japan teaches the art of portion control, a practice deeply embedded in their culture. This method not only aids in maintaining a healthy weight, but also in appreciating each bite, fostering a deeper connection with food. Eating seasonally is a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine, mirroring the country's profound bond with the changing seasons. This practice ensures that meals are not only fresher and more nutritious, but also more environmentally sustainable, reducing the need for long-distance food transportation. Zen in food transcends mere nutrition, integrating spiritual and health aspects into the act of eating. Mindful eating encourages a thoughtful appreciation of food, promoting digestive health and a sense of well-being by fostering a connection between the eater, the food, and the moment. Embracing the healthy Japanese cuisine lifestyle offers more than just delicious flavors. It's a journey into a culture that values balance, health, and mindfulness. For those seeking a memorable visit or lifestyle change, these practices promise a pathway to well-being and culinary delight.